Alright, so I just got this working in my offline environment. You have to be... I just realized I keep saying that I'm offline and I have these web pages here. I tethered to my phone to get those. I am indeed legitimately completely offline. So now that I've broken my train of thought, you have to be very careful when you're programming offline, because the slightest glitches, like earlier I deleted some things here but I didn't quite delete it, so I had like this and it was so hard to see that glitch. But let me just save that and show you what that does to your offline environment. Believe you me, oh no's is a boon to your programming experience. You may hate him, but you'll miss him if you start trying to get into this, because there's absolutely no indication here what went wrong. The slightest little glitch will screw you over. There are ways you can like print stuff out to the console, which you hit Control-Shift-I, and depending on your operating system and internet browser that you're using, you can get stuff to debug. So there's ways, but you have to know them and set them up, etc. So another thing I wanted to talk about is how I drew a picture in Paint, and then I just like copied a region of it and went into Photoshop, set up a new image, hit Control-V, and then used the wand selector to delete the region around it, which makes that transparent. So then I resaved that as a PNG in my image cache. So I have block 1 and block 2. Block 1 has this opaque white region around it, whereas block 2 has this transparent region around it. Coin 1 used to have a transparency, but I have no idea what the heck happened to it. When I try and load that into a sketch, it has this annoying gray region around it. I must have like converted the file wrong somewhere or other. But you want to like take all of your sprites and put transparencies around them using something like Photoshop or GIMP or something like that. So you can make your own sprites. Sprites are just little images that you make games with. And in the next program, I'll try and like add to this web page and have like a background around it and have some interactivity in this program and resize the canvas so that you can see the advantages of offline coding. So yeah, see you later.